Week 47, and we're on to day 5. Now, yesterday we had seen Paul launch his third missionary journey, most of which was spent in Ephesus. Well, while he was in Ephesus, he wrote letters to other churches that he had been involved with. And today we're going to be looking at 1 Corinthians chapters 1 through 4. Paul is actually writing in response to a letter that was sent to him. There's been some trouble in the church, and they're not sure how to deal with it. So they go back to the founder, the person who introduced them to Jesus Christ, and they write this letter to Paul. In these first 4 chapters, we see that Paul addresses a number of questions that have been brought to him, including problems that have left the church horribly divided. Where do we go now when we find ourselves in a group, and even worse, in a church that is divided? Hopefully we know that we can go back to the scriptures. We can always go back to the scriptures to find what it is that God calls us to do. And God calls us first and foremost to find unity in Jesus Christ. And after that, everything else is just extras that probably aren't worth arguing about. John Wesley once said about, let us agree in unity about those things that are important and not worry about the rest of it. It's not the exact wording, but it hurts my heart when I see congregations that are torn over silly things like the color of the carpet, when what we really need to be doing is uniting together in the cause for Christ and sharing the love and grace of Christ with our communities.